Hey, what's up guys, it's Tarkan and welcome to my video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can host your Discord bot 24/7 online for free. It's like you run any Discord bot or any script you wrote in your computer console or your IDE terminal. And to keep Discord bot 24/7 online, you have to keep your computer 24/7 online, but you don't need it. Today I'm going to introduce you with repl.it. Repl.it, it's online IDE. You can research. Repl.it isn't totally on hosting, it do many things. If you want me to make another video on repl.it, I will make one. So first you have to go to repl.it. Repl.it have uh, have repls. Repls are just like repositories. You can store your code inside there. So to host bot on your repl.it, you have to do two things. You have to make a bot. It will be main.py or bot.py, anything. You can also do the same process with JavaScript, but today I'm going to tell you in Python. So you have to make two files, bot.py, we can say main.py, because repl.it run button is normally configured to main.py. So here's our main.py. Here I will paste here a basic Discord bot I wrote. You can um, how to make a Discord bot series is also coming soon in my channel, so you can follow me, subscribe me. So here you can paste a basic bot. We will let this token thing empty because we have to connect it with env. So what is env? Env is basically an environment variable. It is used to keep your token safe. With your token anybody can hack your, what a token do. So you have to do a simple thingy. We will save our token. We will and Repls are public, so anyone can see them. So we will store it in env, so others can't use it. So leave it here as it is. And the next thing you have to use, you have to make a web server.py thingy. In your main.py you can import web server. I will show you something like this. You have to make a web server.py and you have to copy a code here. So what you have to copy, I will provide the link of my Discord server in description. You have to join it. You have to see this code thing here. You can you can you, you if you click on this channel you will get this code area, and here you have to check pins or scroll up. Here you will find this web server.py code. You have to just copy it. If you don't have enough knowledge of Flask, don't worry about it. It will work as repl.it installs packages automatically. So just copy this and paste it in web server.py. And now import web server as I am doing. You can also find this main.py bot file in this code channel, in that code channel. So you have to paste it here, and now run it once, run your bot once, so repl.it installs all the packages. Now as you can see, our bot is online. If I show you in this test server, our bot is online. Now I will introduce you with Uptime robot. What Uptime robot actually do, it will get the, you can see this link here. It will get the data from this link. Like, we made a website, and what we are going to do, we will host this website. You can see this website, and this website is running through bot. So till this website is running, our bot will be also online. You can We are not hosting bot directly, we are hosting the bot indirectly, like we are hosting the web. So Uptime robot, you can go here. You can create a new monitor. Is basically, Uptime robot is used to for monitoring your website status, it's online or that such thingy. That's enough for you now. We are hosting a Discord bot, so create a new monitor. Do the same settings as I am doing, and also in this time area, select 15 seconds, because it's like Uptime robot will monitor your web, which is indirectly your bot, in every 15 seconds. You can say it's like that. Okay, so do this thing. Uh, do same thing as I am doing. Name you can keep anything, but I I prefer keeping name as the main file you have to run. So it's main.py. So I will do main.py. You have to click on this email, because you will receive email whenever anything goes wrong with your bot. It's like if your monitor is down, they will inform you on email. So you can you can check it or you can uncheck it. It's your choice. It's totally on you. Create a monitor, and now you can see it's not showing details right now because it's just created. Okay, and now if you see, you can close it. You can close repl. If you don't, uptime robot thing is very important. If you don't do this, your bot will be online for like 10 to 15 minutes. I don't know how repl handle it, repl.it. So it will be online, and after some time it will be offline. So you have to do this. Uptime robot thing is compulsory. And now if you check, you have closed everything, and if you check after like 15 minutes, you will see your bot is online, and your bot will be off online 24/7. If you see your bot is offline, if you see that if you face some issue or you see the bot is offline, please do check your email. Uptime robot will send you an email that monitor is down, something like that. And usually monitors comes online like in 5 to 10 minutes. So we've successfully hosted our Discord bot on repl.it, and when you have to edit your bot, you can just edit it from repl.it. But if you want to turn off the bot, you have to turn off the monitor. You can go in monitor setting and do it. So now your bot is hosted 24/7. If you face any issue, you've joined. If you face any issue, you can DM me on Discord. I will reply you personally, or you can ask anyone in the chat of my Discord server. Our friendly peeps will surely reply you and help you. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, and if you want to see more videos of mine, you can subscribe too. Thanks for watching.